Now we are going to create a redeemable news promotion. This type of promotion can be used to post your business's recent news or events, new products, and much more. Unlike simple news from the previous tutorial, you can reward users for staying up to date with your business. Hover over Promotions in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Redeemable News. Enter the title of your news piece. Provide a short description. In the long description, enter the news content you want the user to read. So in this example, we are announcing a new pizza recipe, so I will put that information in here. Select who this promotion is relevant for. You can also set a limit on how many times this news item can be read and redeemed by all users. Decide who can redeem this promotion, and then enter the amount you are going to send to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem this promotion. So in this example, it's €1. Upload an image. This is what the fan will see with the promotion title, so make sure it's a high-quality image that gets the user interested in the information. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the promotion will be active for, and choose a follow-up action for users that redeem this promotion. Click Save, and you have now created your first redeemable news promotion. Now let's check it out in the app. Users will see your promotion in the app. They can open it and read it. And once they mark it as read, they can send money to their favorite sports club.